Make no mistake about it, gaming tokens, gaming will become a narrative again this bull market. And when it does, those gaming tokens are going to go sky high. They're going to go so high, you're going to be looking and be like, oh my God, how did I miss them? You got to get those gaming tokens. Don't be left out. That's what we're going to be talking about. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Things.
Listen, this bull market is all about the AI narrative, the gaming narrative, the Bitcoin ecosystem, and a couple of more narratives. And I'm actually making a video series talking about these narratives, how you can get in so you can profit massively this bull market. Now, we already talked about AI coins. I'm actually going to leave a link right here, but also at the end of the video and in the description down below so you can watch after you watch this video. Because what you want to do, you want to build a gaming portfolio, an AI portfolio, a Bitcoin ecosystem portfolio. You see the drill. So basically you want to do segments of portfolios that are going to be in with this narrative. Let me explain. Welcome to the Factor Pad. Now, I actually explained this before. What you want to do is have segmented portfolios for this bull market. What do I mean by segmented portfolios? For example, you want your AI crypto portfolio, you want your gaming portfolio, you want your Bitcoin ecosystem portfolio, and so on. Basically, each narrative that can do well this bull market, you want to have a separate portfolio in each so you can command it better and take advantage. So for example, in gaming, you want your blue chip coins, your blue chips or your high market cap coins, your mid market cap coins over here, your low high risk market cap coins, and you want your older coins because as we have explained in other videos, some older coins are gonna do well. So you wanna have this portfolio to take a venture capitalist approach. So if, let's say, a couple of coins don't do well over here, then you got a couple of coins here that will do well. So basically you only need a few coins, like 1 to 3 coins to do well so you can make money in this bull market. And if you make a mistake and all these don't run at all, at least you have your blue chips so you can actually make some money. Does that make sense? So with that said, which gaming tokens should be in our portfolio according to me, in my opinion? That's what we're going to be doing today. That's what we're going to be talking about. We've already talked about AI, as I mentioned earlier on. We're going to be talking about gaming today, and I'm going to give you other segmented portfolios in the days and weeks to come. So make sure you subscribe down below so you do not miss those videos, because believe me, you don't want to miss these videos. You really don't. Don't get left behind. Hey, Paul here, real quick. This video you're watching is not sponsored, so I guess it's sponsored by me. So if you want to work with me one-on-one or check out my courses, they're actually linked down below this video, where you can also find some valuable free webinars just for you. Please like this video and let's get back to the video you were watching. So first up we have Miria. Miria is actually a group of games and you can actually build your game. It's actually an SDK, so developers can build their games on Miria. So basically what you're doing is you are actually investing in a bunch of games, if you will, as a company, so to speak. And Miria actually has a lot of great people working for them and basically have very strong partnerships. Looking at the price action of Miria, you see we went all the way up here to 0.015 cents, now sitting at 0.0034. This is actually quite a big decline, but as you can see, it's holding support of when it ran last time over here. This is the yearly chart. If you look at the old chart, you will see it better. Look, we had this dip over here, it shot up, made this sort of double top, came back down to this level. It seems like it's holding, and I do believe this is gonna go back up, re-challenge all-time highs, and break them by the end of this bull market, namely end of 2024. So blue sky breakout, price discovery, you want to be in Miria. See, right now you have the opportunity to get into gaming tokens if you missed the previous run and actually go up a lot higher. This is why you want to be in gaming right now. Yes, we're we're buying our AI tokens, but you also want to get into gaming, along with other segments we'll mention in other videos. Next up, we have Delabs, and you might be thinking, Paul, Delabs is AI. You even talked about it last time. Why are you talking about it in a gaming portfolio? Well, it's simple. What many people don't know is that Delabs, the AGI token, but Delabs is also a game. They're just choosing to promote and push AI for now, but they also have the Delabs game. So as you can see, here is the Delabs game. It's coming soon on the Epic Store, and this is an NFT-based game. Looking at the price, we're sitting at 0.20 cents. We actually call this a 0.03. It's doing extremely well. We made massive profits here, took profits, now at 20 cents. I believe this is going to challenge all-time highs, break all-time highs, Enterprise Discovery, and Blue Sky Breakout. And don't forget, this is also AI, so this will hit both the AI and gaming narrative, amplifying and compounding the profits to be made. And for that reason, I am personally in nodes when it comes to Delabs. And the link is in the description down below if you want to get your own node. But if you look here, you can actually see that I have 7 nodes, 7 Delabs nodes, and they're giving me rewards every day. They're giving you extra amplified staking rewards and so on. This is my code. This is my referral code. Please add this in. But if you use the link in the description down below, it should be automatic. But just check if you want to support the crypto factor. Next up, we have Illuvium, where you can join the fight for Ethereum. This is an old school gaming company here that has various games, but I do believe this is going to make a comeback and do very well out of the older projects over here. Looking at the price action, currently sitting at $72.6. We went all the way up to $1,770. Now, will it actually reach all-time highs? I don't know, but I would bet it would reach this level over here, about 551, then we can reevaluate. Of course, if you look at the yearly over here, if you want to be really technical, you should wait for the breakout of $119. But to be honest with you, I think it's a good bet. I would buy right here. I also advise to buy lower, but I think this is a great buying opportunity. Look, some older games are going to inevitably make the top. They have a proven track record, they know what they're doing, and I really think you should be in some old school crypto coins, so to speak, even though everyone's telling you just be in the new ones, just be in the new ones. No, you need a mixed portfolio. And I've actually explained this in videos. I'll leave another video here explaining why, and also in the description down below, so you don't have to watch that video now. You can wait till this video ends. Then if you want, you can watch that video after. But basically, you want to be holding this token, in my humble opinion. Next up, we have Pixels, a new game over here, a Minecraft-based game, but this is a standalone game. And if any project is going to do what Axie Infinity did, it's going to be Pixels. I think Pixels, I'm bet heavy. I've actually bet very heavily on Pixels, and I think it will do very well. It's actually quite an addictive game from what I hear. Looking at the price action here on the 7-day, it's actually sitting at 0.23 cents. If you want to be technical, wait for the 24 cents breakout. I don't think you need to. Go to the yearly over here. You can actually see it's at a huge discount right here. I think it's worth getting in. And if you look at its all-time highs, it was $1.03. So that's a 5x to all-time highs. I believe it's going to re-challenge them at least and break out and go into price discovery. But I really think that Pixels is a very good buy opportunity right now. If you want to be technical again, you got to wait for the break of 39 cents. I made a mistake earlier on, 39 cents to about 50 cents. That's the range, but I would buy right now. I mean, how much lower can this get? And don't forget, it's part of our portfolio. We only need a few to do well to actually make money and massive amounts of profits. So make sure you add something like Pixels, which is a standalone game, in your crypto portfolio so you can take that risk, because if that works out, if it takes off, you're looking at massive, massive profits. Next up, we have Render, the Render token, and you might be thinking to yourself, Paul, isn't democratizing GPU cloud rendering AI based? I mean, you put this in your AI portfolio. Yes, that's true. but it's also for gaming. See, blockchain games need power, so Render can be considered a blue chip when it comes to gaming. It's an AI/gaming play. Does that make sense? So it should be part of your portfolio, whether you're going for AI or gaming, just like we talked about for AGI. So looking at the price action, Render right now sitting at only $6.79. Looking at the all-time highs at $13, it's about a 2x, and I think it's going to do that, break that, and go into blue sky breakout this year. So Render is a great opportunity right now. Yes, it might not make as much profits as some other coins on this list, but again, you want to be protected just in case we're wrong about the other one, so you can at least make some profits as bull market and not get caught sitting there losing your shirt, not being able to buy your girlfriend ice cream like the XRP Army Maxis. You don't want to be doing that. So make sure you get into something like Render as well. Next up, we have Immutable X, a chain dedicated to gaming. This is another old school blue chip play that deserves your attention, in my opinion, and this should be part of your crypto portfolio. Looking at the price action, currently at $1.61, this had an all-time high of $9.3, and I do think it's going to challenge this, break it, and go into blue sky breakout when the narrative hits. Now, technically, if you want to wait for it to break the right shoulder of $2.6 for safety and make it support, yes, but again, right now for me, it's a great opportunity to get in cheap. If it goes down a little bit, if any of these go down a little bit lower, that's okay, because we're building portfolios here. But whether you're watching this video now or later on, Immutable X is a great blue chip play for your crypto gaming portfolio. Then we have GFAL. Again, many games, but mostly built for mobile. And as you can see, the team here is actually quite amazing and exceptional. Now, GFAL has had a pretty big drop, currently sitting at 0.014. And if you look at the all-time highs, was 0.048. They're going to break this. This all-time high will be shattered. It's going to go out in blue sky breakout and price discovery, in my opinion. This is a great buying opportunity. You're sitting here just above the lows of last year. Go to the all chart again. As you can see, we broke up here. We took profits. Now we're coming down. You have a second chance to get back in. As a matter of fact, in any of these coins, you have a chance to get back in low. Do not miss this opportunity, in my opinion. Make sure you get in and have patience. Patience, because AI will probably run first, then gaming towards later on in the year. Keep that in mind, but you want to accumulate now and set up yourself now. And talking about opportunities, we have Nakamoto games actually built on Polygon. There's another collection of games, but built on the Polygon network. And this is a good chain play as well as a gaming play, and I think it should be part of your portfolio. Looking at the price, currently sitting at $1.07, this is a great opportunity. The all-time highs was $5.9, a 5x from here. I think it's going to shatter this, break into blue sky breakout and price discovery once the gaming narrative hits. So Nakamoto games should be part of your gaming portfolio. Now, there are other coins, obviously, you can add to your portfolio as time goes by. We can talk about those, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss those videos. And if you want to see the best AI portfolio you can possibly have right now, best AI crypto portfolio, make sure you watch this video right here. You really don't want to miss this. And if you want to know how to build a portfolio, as I mentioned earlier on, check this video over here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.